This was a very neat new product. Hadn't carried something like this before. Standard clock, but quite small, so I call it the travel clock. It's got the hidden camera right here. It's got Wi-Fi built in. It's got a 32 gigabyte SD card, so you can get up to 50 hours of recording. If you set up on motion though, you can get quite a few weeks depending on activity. And the best part is it plugs into power, so you never have to worry about changing batteries or anything like that. The travel clock, very handy, very versatile. Once powered on, the rest of the setup is on your phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to SpyCentre.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.